last night I thought I would give myself a treat. I've been finally wanting to do some sharpening on this beautiful Böker knife. So I've polished up the whole knife everywhere. This is number 90. You can see that, number 93. There's maybe, I can't find any of them, but there's maybe, I don't know, 3 or 4 in Canada. The rest are in Germany. So I polished up all the bolsters and the wood, and then get to the good stuff. So then this is the Damascus. So then I polished up and sharpened the Damascus edge to 17 degrees. And I'm telling you, this was hard steel. I don't know what the Rockwell is or the heat treatment process that Böker did, but whatever they did it right. I mean, it took a long time to get 17 degrees. So just to show you how crazy sharp this thing is, well, I am trying not to cut it in half, this hair. Crap. Literally, I'm touching it and it just snaps. That one didn't last long. Alright, try again here. I'm just trying to skin the edge. Keeps breaking or cutting it. Good grief. Alright, there. One splits right down the middle. That's one. Oh. Get it. 2. The other one. Right down the middle. 3. Awesome. And this is like receipt paper. Just a few receipts from filling up. It's really thin paper, almost like phone book paper. Just look at that fine. Oh, just love it. And there we go. That is a sharp, very sharp knife now. And I put a healthy layer of synthetic grease inside there. Everything has been cleaned out on the inside. Took a cotton. What I find is if you take a cotton swab and you get a pair of pliers and squish the swab, and put in fill and then squirt the swab with rubbing alcohol and get right inside there. You can do a really good clean. But then remember, it's always a tool. Remember, blades are tools. They need to be oiled. So always. So at least once a week, put a drop of oil in at the top here and let it penetrate down, and then always, at least on this guy, open it up and then put it on this part in here so it penetrates down into the bushings. And then yeah, you guys won't have this part. This part doesn't need to be oiled. It's just riding on a pivot. But anyways, I just finally had to, it's been about time that I was doing something for my own knives. So there she is. She is crazy sharp, crazy sharp, and really happy. All right, that is all for today.